The P2001 Pro portable power station is a compact and versatile solar generator designed for various applications, from camping trips to emergency power backups. With a robust output capability of 3,200 watts, this power station aims to meet the energy needs of different devices, making it an intriguing option for those seeking reliable off-grid power solutions. At first glance, the P2001 Pro stands out due to its sleek, portable design. Weighing in at a manageable level for its capability, this power station is constructed with both portability and functionality in mind. It is equipped with multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC outputs, allowing users to connect a wide range of devices simultaneously. The inclusion of a clear LCD screen provides real-time information on battery status, remaining capacity, and output wattage, adding to the user experience by making it easy to monitor power usage. One of the key features of the P2001 Pro is its compatibility with solar panels. This opens up the possibility for sustainable energy use, particularly for outdoor enthusiasts who may want to recharge their power station while camping or hiking. Additionally, the unit can be charged via standard wall outlets or car chargers, providing flexibility in how users can maintain power. The ability to recharge in various ways is a notable advantage, especially in situations where traditional power sources may be unavailable. In terms of performance, the P2001 Pro is designed to power a variety of devices, from small electronics like smartphones and laptops to larger appliances such as refrigerators and power tools. Its high-capacity lithium battery ensures that users can get substantial usage time before needing to recharge. This could be particularly beneficial during power outages or for extended outdoor excursions. In conclusion, the P2001 Pro portable power station is a well-rounded option for individuals seeking a dependable energy source for both recreational and emergency situations. Its combination of portability, multiple charging options, and a robust output capacity makes it a versatile choice. Whether for camping, outdoor events, or as a backup power solution, this power station offers an appealing range of features tailored to meet diverse energy needs. As always, prospective users should consider their specific requirements and how the P2001 Pro aligns with them.